Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to drive an Audi Q3. First, ensure your driving position is perfect by adjusting the seat and mirrors for clear visibility. Take a moment to understand the dashboard, especially the infotainment system and climate controls. You'll also want to find the electronic parking brake and the gear selector, which is typically a small lever or button, to prepare for a smooth start to your journey. To start your Audi Q3, simply press the brake pedal down firmly and then push the engine start/stop button. Once the engine is running, select D for drive or R for reverse using the gear selector, and then release the electronic parking brake. While driving, utilize the convenient steering wheel controls to manage your audio, set cruise control, and navigate through various vehicle information displays without taking your hands off the wheel. When driving, apply gentle, consistent pressure to the accelerator pedal for smooth acceleration, always maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles. For braking, gradually increase pressure on the pedal, anticipating your stops to ensure a comfortable ride. Parking your Q3 is made easier with the integrated rearview camera and parking sensors. These tools provide valuable assistance, helping you navigate tight spaces and park precisely and safely every time. Your Audi Q3 offers advanced features like Audi Drive Select, allowing you to customize your driving experience with modes such as Comfort, Auto, Dynamic, and Individual. It's also important to understand your tire pressure monitoring system and check your tire pressure regularly for optimal performance and safety. And speaking of quality, if you're looking for durable and comfortable socks, check out the link in the description for Darn Tough, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.